A very cheerful good morning to all. I hope you all are good. Well, student, in our last lecture we have discussed briefly the poem Border Guards. Today we will discuss this poem in detail. Okay, let's start. On the other side of the impregnable fence, and meshed with warlords, gory threats and counter threats. Well, poets say that two soldiers of neighboring countries are posted as border guards. They are sitting on the opposite sides of the barbed wire fence. Impregnable means so strong and well constructed that it cannot be entered or captured. And meshed with war god's glory. And meshed means entangled. Warlords, military commanders or power hungry politicians. And gory means होता है full of violence and bloodshed. Poets say that warlords have charged the atmosphere with hatred and violence. There are threats and counter threats from both sides, but the two soldiers feel no personal enmity between themselves. Rather, they share the same human feelings of love and sympathy. Next, whimpers my counterpart over a letter from home, his wife's illness, his son's death, his recoilless gun sitting negligently between his knees. Poet says that one of the soldiers is resting his gun between his knees. He is reading a letter and he is crying softly. The other soldier feels deep pity for him. He tries to guess the cause of his counterpart's grief. Perhaps the latter has told him his wife's illness, or perhaps he has got the sad news of his son's death. As one soldier see that his counterpart soldier is crying softly, he thought that perhaps his son has expired, or maybe his wife is ill, that's why he is crying. Okay, next stanza. My fingers bleed to think of the fence spikes that will not let me care the anguished face of this other man, my country's alleged enemy, but my soul's brother in loneliness. Spikes means sharp pointed piece of iron in the barbed wire. Anguished mean mental pain. Poets say that when the one soldier sees the other soldier in pain, he feels deep sympathy for him. He wants to run over to the other side of the fence and care the anguished face of his counterpart, but he can't do this. The very thought of spikes on the fence makes his fingers bleed. In his own loneliness, the soldier feels that the counterpart is his soul's brother. He shares with him the same human feelings of love and sympathy. The other soldier wants to console the other soldier, but he can't do this because the politicians have set up a fence of wire between them. Well, this is what happened in this poem, and now I will give you homework. You do homework on time and then send to me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.